Galaxy S23 Ultra didn't come with a big design change, but it seems like people don't care much about design. Instead, the feature Samsung is offering in the S23 Ultra is what people love the most. Before starting off, make sure to subscribe. Samsung shared the pre-order numbers for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it sets the new record for the Galaxy devices. In Latin America, the sales of the S23 lineup goes about 50% compared to the S22 lineup. And one of the biggest reasons was Samsung included the Brazil to join the global launch of Galaxy S series, and people can buy S23 on 1st of Feb. Now the numbers for the S23 Ultra is about 59%, which is insane. Similarly, in Taiwan, the pre-orders are also increased by double digits compared to the S22 lineup, where S23 Ultra accounts for 75% pre-orders, which is massive. Meanwhile, in South Korea, we see about 1.09 million pre-orders for the S23 lineup, where we saw 60% sales came from the S23 Ultra. Also, in European market, you get the France number where S23 lineup sees double pre-orders compared to the last year, and same 60% pre-orders are from S23 Ultra. So overall, S23 Ultra is a great success for Samsung. Let me know in the comments, did you guys face any issue with your S23 Ultra? If you own S23 Ultra, you already see the first security update, which is the Feb update, and you should update as it will fix a couple of bugs. But here's an interesting thing, and I already talked about this in my previous video, the March security update is here. Rolled out to a couple of European countries including Germany, France, Italy, Netherlands, and will be coming to other countries in the coming days. Some people are facing issues with the Wi-Fi 6 router, so for time being just disable Wi-Fi 6 and look for this update. It might fix this issue on your S23 Ultra, as this issue didn't happen to all Galaxy S23 devices. The success for the S23 Ultra is that Samsung improved a lot in power efficiency, and that was the reason we are getting insane battery numbers for the S23 Ultra. To say the least, it is almost matching the numbers with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the current battery champ. All thanks to Snapdragon Engine 2, this processor is overclocked, and as per recent report, Galaxy C45 could come with the same Snapdragon Engine 2 just like the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you guys want to see the display issue of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.